We have to put it in the oven now. Hi guys, beautiful people, welcome back to Eva family. Guys, thank you so much returning subscribers. If you're seeing us for the first time, please do like, share, subscribe. So today we are making suya, right? And here we have suya spice. This is a complete ingredient. It has pepper, salt, everything, Maggi. So you be careful when you're using suya spice. I will show you how to make this maybe one of these days, how to get this suya spice with quickly. So here we have quickly, but very little because this is a complete spice. And then we have garlic, ginger, pepper, salt, Maggi. We are careful on how to use all these things because of this. Then here we have our meat, and then we have onions. So the meat has already been cut of this size, okay, flatter. We have to beat it and make it flatter so that that Nigerian guys. Okay, follow me along to do this. But I'm using a filter type anyway. So the meat is ready. Yeah, everything is ready, and we have all this. We are mixing everything together to taste, and then we coat it here, right? We're putting inside that stick. Yeah, so this is pretty, and then I'm putting half of this garlic. I told you guys that the suya spice is already has sauce in it. But I like pepper, so I'm putting a lot of pepper. And then salt to taste. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I have to put my juice, so I'm putting half of this. So I advise you put and check the taste so that you don't put too much salt or too much whatever. But it depends on what you're using though. Some people make their suya spice from the beginning. So if you're that type, you should be able to control all the ingredients you're using or all the spice you're using. So for this, oh my god. Ooh. Let me put a little of the remaining pepper. I like it very spicy. After all, what is here with that? Alright guys. So instead of putting more salt, So the thing is set. Guys, can you see? This suya is giving. So we've already preheated the oven. And now we'll have to place it here. I think we can so that so this Christmas, guys, you can give this a try. The family will be glad you made home suya for them. Why not if not? And it's not even expensive to make suya at home. So we are putting it with oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, sunflower, whatever it is. This year is giving December. Christmas. The season. Okay, so because we have already preheated our oven, I have to put it in the oven now. So this is the suya here, and we set it for 12 minutes. I'll come and check it when after 12 minutes, and I'll tell you guys the total time I use in making this. Yeah, our suya is ready, guys. Then when you get to Aboki, madam, how much you want? Take madam. You want? Got for madam. And then for me, got for myself. Oh wow. With onion. So lovely. It tastes so nice. Friends, thank you so much. If you have stayed till this time, thank you so much. You mean a lot to us. Bye bye.